Hi guys, today I will show you my terrace garden. Throughout the lockdown, me and my mother have made. So I will first show you some plants and tell you their names. So let's get started. So this is bhindi, this is
Sag.
saag,
Hindi.
this is spinach, this is tulsi, this is type of a Christmas tree, this is mint, this is snake plant, this is pumpkin, this is giller with the wooden stick, and this one is bitterguard. Yeah, this is the most tasty thing ever. Cucumber. And this is capsicum. And some more plants are right there, like bougainvillea, hibiscus, many more.
Lemon.
And yes, wait. And this one is lemon. See how green it is. And this is curry leaf. See, this is a leaf. It is healthy and used in many South Indian dishes. And now I will tell you what I am going to do. So I am going to tell you how to grow a bitterguard plant at home. So here I am with the bitterguard seed. You can take it from when you take a bitterguard from market, then you can, when you chop it down, you can see a seed inside it. Wait, I am showing you the inside of the seed. So this is the seed. Now take soil and do it like this. And very important, let it dry for 2 to 3 days. And if it is dry completely, then you can plant it. And after some day, there will be like this. And give water also. Give water, air, sunlight. So after some day, it will look like this. And when it will be well grown, it will look like this. Yes, this. It will look like this. Okay, if I can show you a flower, then it will look good. Yes. See, here is a flower. And here also is a flower. And here. And if the bitterguard is growing, then the flower will be dry. And the bitterguard will be like this. Wait. This is a baby bitterguard. And yes, let me show you baby lady's finger. So yes, this is a baby's lady finger. And this is the capsicum plant. It is a baby capsicum. I think you can see. Yes, this is a baby capsicum. And this is a This is type It is growing right now. It's not totally grown. A totally grown capsicum will be bigger than this. And yes, this is hibiscus. Isn't it lovely? See, this right here goes the pollen grain, and this is petals. And these are lovely yellow hibiscus. So that one was red and this one is yellow. No, it's not totally yellow. Yellow and white mixed. And this is ixora. The flowers are about to bloom. And this is white bougainvillea. As you can see, these are the leaves, not flower. The flower is actually right here. It's so little. And these are pink bougainvillea. As I told you, the flower is inside it. So the flower is inside this one too. They are not bloomed right now, so they will bloom fast. And I will show you when this will bloom. And an important thing that is used for a plant's soil to make it fertile is cocoa peat and fertilizers. So I will show you some fertilizer, how it
Utho.
So this is fertilizer. It is very soft to touch, and it is also very fun. And another thing is cocoa peat. It can be made by the upper layer of coconut, the brown upper layer of coconut. You leave it in water for 2 to 3 hours, right? And then it will be ready. You get it from the plant nursery, as well as you can make it. So this is how I take care of my terrace garden. Let me know in the comments how you take care of your terrace garden or normal garden. Bye bye. Till then, take care and see you soon.